Hello and welcome to your Windows 8 tip of the day, brought to you by Clever Concierge. My name is Moise and I'll be your host. Today we're going to be taking a look at grouping apps together on the Start menu. Now, the Start menu, of course, is the replacement for the previous Start menu. It's actually referred to as the Start screen in Windows 8. So let's jump straight in. As you can see here from the Start screen, it's pretty standard. There are a bunch of applications that have been installed, and as a result, it's a little bit of an unorganized mess. Now, what you may have noticed anytime that you had been moving your icons around is if you move it over in between, this gray bar shows up. Now, this gray bar is what allows you to actually group together these icons. So we'll take a look here. Just a little heads up, sometimes if you hold the icon down a little bit too long, it'll actually load up the application. So something to keep in mind, because that's what just happened to me. So we'll move these all into the same group together. So these are all my Office applications and I want them all to be together. Put all those together. We'll leave InfoPath and a few other ones out. Fantastic. So now we've got it grouped, but it doesn't really give me any kind of indication of, well, what exactly is it that I'm looking at, right? What is this grouping of? Now, sure, it might be pretty self-explanatory looking at it, but you may want to label it just the same. What you can do there is you can click on the little minus sign in the bottom right-hand corner. What that does is that actually shrinks everything. You can right-click on the grouping of applications that you have, in our case, the one that we just created, and click on Name Group. We'll go ahead and call this Office. Pretty straightforward. You can do that in terms of anything here. I won't do it for anything else because we haven't actually done anything in terms of the other applications and grouping, just the Office ones for now. But fairly straightforward, pretty easy to do. You can group all your applications that way. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.